Hello friends, welcome to Sohini's kitchen. My name is Sohini and I post recipe videos every week from cooking to baking. Now if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then do keep checking every week for new videos and stay tuned for one midweek regional language video every week. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notifications. So today's recipe is a delicious tea time treat, Jeera Biscuits. And now let's take a look at the ingredients. Don't forget to take a look at the Amazon links for the ingredients list and utensils that I'm using in this recipe. Check out the links in the description for the same. We need some cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon roasted and 1 teaspoon raw, half cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup confectioner's sugar, 1 cup plus 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, baking powder half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3 teaspoons of milk. I have used whole milk. And now we will take a pan and dry roast 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. As soon as the color changes, we will remove it from heat and there will be a nice aroma of cumin seeds. So keep it in a bowl and let it cool down. Then take half cup of butter. The butter should be softened at room temperature, but it should not be molten completely. Use the spatula to break down the softened butter, then use the electric hand mixer, or you can even use the hand beater to cream in the sugar and the butter until they are soft and fluffy. Now pass the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, baking powder and the salt through a sieve. Sift them well and collect them in a bowl. Now I have used around half teaspoon of salt. Sift them well. Sifting ensures that there's no lump in the mixture. Now add the creamed in sugar and butter to this mixture. Using the spatula again, mix all the ingredients very well. And now you need to use your hands to bring all the ingredients together into a pliable dough. Now before kneading the dough any further, add the dry roasted cumin seeds to the dough. I have added a tablespoon of dry roasted cumin seeds. Don't knead the dough too much. Now add 3 teaspoons of milk. I have used whole milk. As soon as you add the milk, you will see that the dough has become very soft. So then you need to add 3 tablespoons of flour to it. You can use around 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour as per requirement. Now don't knead the dough too much, but just bring all the ingredients together. The dough should be like this. And when you break the jeera biscuit dough, it should look like this. Again, bring it together. Place it back in the bowl, cover it with a cling wrap or an aluminium foil or any other cover and put it inside the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, take it out and put the dough on a butter paper or a wax paper. Flatten it a little bit with your hands and then roll it by putting another butter paper on top of it. Once you have rolled it, then cut it into any shape you like and make the cookie pieces. So first I made the square shaped jeera biscuits and now I'm making little designs on it with a fork. It's very easy to do. The remaining dough I have again rolled it out and now I used the cookie cutter to cut the jeera biscuit into round shapes. So you can simply give the jeera biscuits any shape you like. So just look at the thickness. It is not very thin and neither too thick. Now put the jeera biscuits in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes. Now this will make the jeera biscuits easy to handle and they will not break. Now after 15 minutes, put them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and sprinkle some raw cumin seeds on top. Press the cumin seeds on the surface of the biscuits with your fingers. Now bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. It took me around 15 minutes to bake these jeera biscuits. Do keep checking from outside the color of the crust of the jeera biscuit. It should be like this. These cumin seed cookies or jeera biscuits tastes best when they are served with tea. Let's break them and check how crunchy they are. Did you see? They are as crunchy as ever and they are absolutely similar to the ones that are baked in the bakeries. Use the comment section for any questions, or if you make this recipe, do share your experience in the comment section below. Like and share with your friends and family if you like the recipe, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. To make it easy for you, I have added the Amazon links for the ingredients and also the utensils that I am using. Do check them out, links in the description of this video. Sohini's Kitchen is there both in Instagram and on Facebook. If you would like to follow, the links are given in the description of the video. Thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.